Where is the cafe?
The cafe is across from the bank.
Why aren't you leaving?
I am not leaving because I don't have my keys.
Was anyone else there?
No, I was the only one there. What happened to the car?
The car hit a tree. Who is this gift for?
This gift is for you.
How long have you lived in Germany?
I have lived in Germany for 1 year. Who gave you the gift?
My brother gave me the gift.
Where are you walking?
I am walking through the park.
What do you do after work?
I go shopping after work.
When will you return?
I will return after my vacation ends next Monday. Where are you going?
I am going to my friend's house. Where is she?
She is at work.
How long has he been sick?
He has been sick for 2 days.
How do you learn English?
I learn English in a fun way.
What does he do after school?
He plays soccer with his friends after school.
What do we need for dinner?
We need some bread for dinner.
When do you work?
I work from Monday to Friday.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for the bus.
Why did you call me?
I called to invite you to my birthday party.
When is it dark outside? It is dark at night.